Hi everyone! In this video, we will create and interpret histograms using a Ti-84 calculator. A statistician is looking at the number of hits that a baseball player has in each of the past 15 games. Use a calculator to create a histogram of the data to determine the number of games in which the player had 2 hits. The first thing we need to do is enter the data from the table into a list. So from here, we're going to click on the Stat key. Under the Edit menu, we want number 1, Edit, so we will click on Enter. From here, we're going to type in the 15 observations into our calculator. So we're going to enter the numbers in and then push on the Enter key as we enter each number. So from here, you'll notice now that the last row in our list that is blank says L116. That's the 16th observation. Since it's blank, we know that the row above it is for the 15th observation, so we have 15 individuals in our list. From here, we're going to now create our histogram. So we're going to click on the second key, and then we're going to click on Y equals. That's going to turn on the stat plot. So the second key is in blue. The word stat plot is also in blue. From here, we want to turn one of these plots on. I'm going to click on Enter for the first plot. And the highlight is blinking over top of the on, so I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to arrow down and select the type of graph that I'm looking for. Here I want a histogram, so I'm going to arrow over to histogram and select Enter on that. Now I'm going to arrow down. XList is the column that we entered our data in. I entered mine into L1, so I'm going to leave this as L1. If I entered the data into L2 or L3, I would change that here. Now I'm going to arrow down. Frequency is going to be left at 1 because each observation appears one time in the table. Now I'm going to change the color of the histogram. So I'm going to arrow over until I find blue. From here, I'm going to click on zoom so I can change the zoom of my plot. And I'm going to click on number 9 on my calculator because I want zoom stat. And now I have my histogram. From here, to answer the question, I can click on the trace button. And when I do that, some information about the plot appears. So the minimum equals 0. I'm looking for minimum equaling number 2 because we were looking for 2 hits. So if I arrow over, this is minimum equals 1, and this is minimum equals 2. So the game in which, or the number of games in which we had 2 hits was equal to n equals 3. And now we're done.